those watching online. Again, please don't forget to use the hashtag The Alibi on Prime.
Okay, for our first question, Aya?
Okay na ba ang ating cast?
Diba?
Bigyan niyo lang ako ng thumbs up kung ready na tayo. Okay.
All good?
Yes.
Okay.
Pero bago sila sumagot next, yan, para sure tayong handa sila sa mga exciting na mga tanong, bigyan natin sila ng oportunidad para mag-hello, mag-hi sa ating mga nakapanood ng first and pilot episode ng The Alibi. Okay.
Maybe starting from Robbie. That side, please.
Hello po, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Robbie, I play Edward Cabrera. Salamat, maraming salamat po sa pagpunta niyong lahat dito. It was such an honor for me to be a part of this teleserye. It's my first acting experience and I couldn't ask for any more. So it's been such a blessing to be a part of this cast, a part of this crew, to learn under these wonderful directors and writers under Dreamscape. And yeah, I hope you guys continue to watch the show kasi madami pong pasabog tong teleserye nito. Thank you.
Please pass the mic. Thank you.
Hello po everyone, I'm Angelina Cruz as Catherine Rose Morales, kapatid po ni Ate Kim Chu. Salamat po sa pagpunta dito. Sana na-enjoy nyo and I'm excited for you guys to see what comes out next.
Ako po si Ronald Sarmenta sa papel na Andres Bonifacio. Hindi, Andres Tolentino. Andres Tolentino. Inspector Andres Tolentino. Again, I'm just blessed to be part of this project. Side note, I'm working with second generation of people I used to work with. I used to work with her mom and his mom. And it's just fun seeing them at work also. And again, sila for the second time also. And sila Direk Conan. It's just a great blessing to be around creative people. So thank you for staying, and I hope you continue to support the project.
Sophia?
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. At salamat po sa pag-join sa amin tonight. And syempre, nagpapasalamat po ako sa Dreamscape, sa ABS-CBN po and Prime. That I get to work with people I really look up to. Just so lucky that I'm still considered as a contributor. Syempre, ang lalaking artista ng mga kasama ko, so parang the pressure is real. But I was able to learn from them, and I'm just so proud to be part of something big. Yeah.
Sam? Oh. Sorry, getting to see her. I was like, hi everyone. Sorry. Thank you guys all for coming. It's such a blessing to be a part of this amazing project. As you can see, the first episode pa lang, grabe yung impact. And even though my role here is a bit short-lived, I'm still present somehow in this series, and my role plays such a pivotal, yes, it's very pivotal in this cuento. So I'm very blessed to be part of this.
Hi everyone, I'm Rafael Rosel. Bilang Matthew Cabrera, just super thankful and grateful to Dreamscape and ABS-CBN, of course Prime Video, for being given this opportunity. What you saw today is just the tip of the iceberg. It goes way, way deeper, and sobrang excited kaming lahat na mapanood niyo yung totality ng show. As in, kami nga rin sa set when we read the script, we're like, inaabangan namin yung susunod na mangyayari. As in, sobrang excited. So, thank you so much to everyone for being here, and enjoy the rest of the show when it comes out on Prime.
Sasha Padilla as Jacqueline Cabrera. Hi! Thank you all very much for being here. Ang dami-dami ko nang nasalihan na teleserye, pero nung napanood ko ito, sabi ko, sobra, kakaiba siya. At yung character development ng bawat isa, abangan nyo yan. Kasi wala pa kayong masyadong nakikita, parang patikim pa lang, napakarami pa pong mangyayari. So sana kapitan nyo talaga yung aming teleserye. Napakaganda. At proud ako na makatrabaho lahat. At even at my, kahit matagal na ako sa showbiz, ang dami ko pa pong natututunan sa aking mga kasamahan. At ito, one of my favorite partners now, napakahusay niya, Johnny. In-introduce na kita John Arcilia.
Akin na lang po mic na kasi may buko, walang nakukuha. Anyway, sorry. Good evening po sa inyong lahat. And, well, nakita niyo naman siguro, I am so proud to be part of this cast. Kasi sobrang nailab ako sa lahat, sa buong cast. Especially sa Kim Pao. Sila yung isa sa pinaka-down-to-earth na stars na makakatrabaho bilang sa artista. And, yeah. Naku, baka may magalit po sa akin. Ano lang po to nailab ako kay Jasha Padilla. Isa sa...
Just si Conrad.
As a character, yes. Kasi sobrang... Jasha Padilla is not just the... hindi lang siya yung divine diva ng music industry, pero she's one of the best actresses we have in entertainment industry. So talagang sobrang para sa akin kasi dream come true yun, partner ko ng mahaba si Jasha. So sobrang proud ako na naging part ako nito. Para naman ngayon ako gumawa ng teleserye, pero kakaiba kasi talaga yung energy namin. So umpisa makikita mo lang kami sa on camera na mukha kaming dysfunctional, pero kitang-kita ko, damang-dama ko yung connection ng bawat isa pagdating sa behind the scenes. So, thank you po. Thank you po for coming, and bantayan niyo po sa November 7.
Hello, good afternoon po. Ay, salamat po sa mga nanood ng The Alibi pilot ngayon. So, lahat po nung napanood nyo ngayong episode na to, bantayan nyo po sila kasi habang tumatakbo po yung kwento, it will all make sense. So, thank you po.
Thank you. Alright. Direk?
Okay na kami. As myself on at this.
Kim Pao natin.
Kim Pao. Alright, Kim and Pao?
Muli, magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta ninyo. At sana na-enjoy niyo yung first episode namin. Tulad ng sabi nila, patikim pa lang ito. Wala pa masyadong nai-introduce at hindi pa fully or lubusan pinapakilala yung characters ng bawat artista dito. Pero I'm sure pag nasundan nyo to ng mangilang-ilang episodes pa, talagang hindi nyo na mapipitawan kada character dahil special talaga ang binibigay ng bawat artista para sa mga role nila. So again, salamat. Maraming salamat. Si Kim Chu.
Hello po. Umuwi na po si Kim Chu. Si Stella po ito. Stella sa umaga, alegria sa gabi. Maraming salamat po sa nag-enjoy ba kayo? Nabitin po ba kayo? Yes, download the Prime app, 149 pesos lang. Nagbenta! So yun po, every Friday, 2 episodes. Yun lang. Hindi ko na ipapaliwanag yung character ko, para nakita niyo na ata lahat. No? Oo.
Para sa Team Live. Para
sa Team Live, yes. Sabi nga, I gave my all. Sana kayo din. Sana mas madami ang makakita ng masterpiece na ito dahil group effort po talaga ito. Simula po sa mga nagsulat, nagdirect, umarte, nag-ilaw, nag-camera, nag-art dep and everything. This is a masterpiece po talaga dahil hindi po madaling gumawa ng ganitong klaseng drama na suspense, thrill, romance, drama. Kompletos Ricardos po kami, kaya I'm very proud to be part of this big project. Thank you po.
Once again, the cast of The Alibi. Aya.
Oh, mix